Hi folks, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I wanted to show you just a really quick tutorial on how to do the herringbone half double crochet. I have used this now in a couple crochet patterns and I just love the little, just a little added bit of texture. When you do the herringbone half double crochet, I'm going to try and hold this so you can kind of see there's a little ridge right here and a little ridge right here. And then on the back side, every other row is a ridge. So this little swatcher is just 10 herringbone half double crochets long. And then I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. So my next one, the ridge is going to be on this side. So you can already see that ridge forming here. So it's always on the top side of where you're working. So and when you do a herringbone half double crochet, normally with a double crochet, you start off with a chain 3. A herringbone half double crochet is a little bit shorter, just like the regular half double crochet is. So we just do a chain 2. So 1, 2. Now this accounts for this stitch right here. Okay, so this is the first double crochet, or I should say that it counts as the first herringbone half double crochet. So your first stitch, remember all of your stitches should always be on top of the next one as you, so you know, of course it's, because it's easy to lose count, especially it seems like on this one. Sometimes folks, if you look at it, you think that, oh no, I got to start here. Nope, you got to start right here. And that first next stitch, the first stitch right here is going to be where you place your hook. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over again, bring it through, yarn over and just go through the first, if I can yarn over, loop on the hook. Keep the other ones on. Now yarn over and go through all 3. And sometimes I got to hold it to get through that last one. Okay, so now we have our 2 stitches already completed. So yarn over, we're going to go into the next stitch. Yarn over, bring it through, yarn over, go through 1 loop. Yarn over, go through all 3 loops, just like a regular half double crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over, go through the next stitch. Yarn over, bring it through. Yarn over, go through 1 loop. Yarn over, go through 2 loops and the 3rd loop. Sometimes it's a multiple process like that because I can't always get through all 3. So yarn over, bring it through. Yarn over, go through 1 loop. Go yarn over, go through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through the yarn over, draw it through 1 loop, yarn over, draw it through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through 1 loop, and then all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through this hole, yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through all 3, yarn over, go through the hole, yarn over, go through a loop, and yarn over through all 3. So now we have 1 stitch left, so we got to make sure that we get in that top stitch there and go get through both loops if you can. There we go. And then through 1 loop, and then through all 3. So that row is complete, and let's make sure we count to make sure, right? But you can kind of tell it's already, I just made a square, right? It's all square now. So if we're going to be measuring it for gauge, we'd measure how many across, and you know, is that a 4-inch square yet? So 1, you can check by the post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is how you do the herringbone half double crochet, and it creates that nice little ridge right along the edge. So if you're looking for some little bit of texture in your project, this is a nice one to do, and it's also a nice one to do if you're going to be changing color. Sometimes you're going to do a gingham pattern, but when you do that single crochet, it captures the yarn that you're carrying with you. So the herringbone half double crochet is kind of a nice one for that. So you can kind of speed your crochet pattern along by using the half double crochet. It's faster than the single crochet, but you're also doing that single crochet at the same time. And if you had yarn that you were carrying over, you would be capturing that. Just a thought. So that's a nice use for this, this particular pattern. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching today and learned a little bit. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.